Hi guys, it's Joe. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm showing two projects done with the August 2020 Club La La Land Crafts kit. I'll have all the links in the description box below. So in this kit, the stamps are Movie Night Marci. It has those two critters, 3 sentiments, and Marci. And then there's a comfy chair stamp set with 6 sentiments, and then also this kit includes coordinating dies, and the dies are retro TV and popcorn. So that is what comes in this kit. They are cling rubber mounted stamps, and it's really nice, high quality, so you just attach them to your acrylic block. And so those are the dies. So that's just like a little recap of the kit. And so for my first card here, I used the sentiment My Comfy Place, and then I also used the comfy chair stamp, and I went ahead and stamped it on some pattern paper. And then you can see I also used some foam adhesive tape on some of the die cuts there. And then the papers that I used for both of my cards are from the Hello Life 6x6 designer paper pad by La La Land Crafts. And then also here are the popcorn topper dies, and then I cut several there, and then I layered it, 2 in the back, 1 in the front, and then I nestled the cute little French bulldog on the couch behind it. And then I also used a circle die, and I cut a part of it, put the popcorn topper on top to make it into like a popcorn bowl, and then I scattered the popcorn kernels all around the card. And so that is the first card. And then the second card here is a 5x5 card, and here is Movie Night Marci. She's colored with Copic markers, and then there is the remote control die cut, and then also the VCR. I colored those with Copic markers. Here is the popcorn container, and then the topper, and then I used the double stitch stars, and then these are film strip dies from the Photo Elements die set. And then the popcorn that I created in the background, it is Stitch Clouds border die, and then I also used the horizontal pocket die there to make the gift card holder. And then I also added some more of those popcorn toppers, and the kernels adhered it to the backing of the pocket there so that it looks a little bit more full. And then yeah, so that is the card. You see it's full of dimension. And then there is Movie Night Marci in her cute little pajamas there. I also have a coloring of her at the end of the video here for you guys today using Copic markers, and the paper is 80-pound Nina smooth solar white cardstock. The ink is Memento Tuxedo black ink, and then I'll go ahead and color that for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed my cards using the August 2020 La La Land Crafts Club kit. So thanks for watching.